safety, so I don't go shooting where your nigga be. Girl, you dodging bullets trying to play me, and I'm left to deal with how you made me.
What's up guys, it's your girl Rena Monet and I'm back with another video. As you can see, today I decided to do this natural eye makeup look, very everyday-ish look. I wasn't going to do any eyelashes, but I've been having these lashes for forever and they're like really natural, I feel like. So I decided to pop them on. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. What's up guys? So first I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, and also in their brush in the number 12 to fill in my brows. As you can see, I was having a little rough brow day, so I'm gonna get a little frustrated. I'm not even gonna like pretend I wasn't. You probably can't tell that I was, but I was getting a little frustrated because my brows were being crazy. You know, some days you just have good brow days and some days you don't. So yeah, I'll be back guys as soon as I finish filling in my eyebrows. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to take my Morphe brow cleanup brush. I'll link it down in the description below because I don't even remember at the moment what the number is on it. And so yeah, I'm just going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to carve out my brows just how I like them.
Yeah, monetary. Riding around in my whip, listening to my shit. She wanna hit track 6. She told me that's her. Every girl said I got the title. Got a nigga feeling like Michael Jackson. Jordan, don't matter to me, they both.
If I didn't my bed on girl, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than 2. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got now. I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Poppin' your gum on the way, am I in the way? No, I won't pressure you none, I want your best in the day. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Told you that I'm on the way, I'm on the way. I know connection is big, pick up the phone for me, babe. If you have my love and I yeah. I'm surprised you called me after things that I said. Skirt on bitches, I don't know this.
Okay, y'all, how long my brows took? I feel like that was almost a brow tutorial, to be honest. So now I'm just still fixing my brows because they were just a hot mess that day, but it's okay. You gotta make it work some kind of way.
I might just feel on your bed, and then you feel like a leg. I wanna swim with my face, I'm like, okay.
Alright guys, now finally into eyes. Oh my gosh, this palette right here, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at them colors. I was so excited. I'm not even going. I was so excited. So yeah, as y'all can see, I'm just gonna first take that little brownish shade and just apply it in my crease. By the way, this brush that I'm using is from e.l.f. Cosmetics brush set. I think I bought this in like Target or Marshall's, but it was like $17 and it came with like 5 eye brushes, and I really love them. Like, they're amazing and they're so cute. Like, they're pink, so I was buying them just because they were pink anyway, because pink is my favorite color, guys. But anyway, next I'm going to be taking that lighter brown shade and just applying this to the lid of my eye, just to brighten it up down there a little bit. I really love these colors in this palette so much, y'all. It's like everything in one, just about. I'm going to be bringing y'all so many fall tutorials with this palette alone. So that means everybody needs to go buy it. Now I'm just going to be taking some mascara. What kind of mascara is it? I have no idea. The label is gone. So I'm sorry, you guys, but I think it's from Walmart. I just have no idea what kind it is. I'm sorry. $3.40 in the Matte Plus Pore foundation by Maybelline. And my shade has actually gotten a little lighter. It was $3.55, I believe. And so yeah, I'm getting a little lighter because it's not as hot anymore and I'm not in the sun as much. So yeah, I'm just applying all of my foundation all over my face. And guys, I apologize for the lighting, like how I kept on getting like super bright and then super normal. Like, I don't know why it was doing that. I guess because I was moving. But anyway, now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer again in the same shade, Fawn. And I'm just going to use this to highlight my face. Which is what I'm going to use a lot, y'all, because I love it so much. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and it is damp, you guys. It's clean and it's damp. And I'm just using that to blend in all of my highlighted areas. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Honestly, y'all, I can't decide what's my favorite part of makeup, but I know I love blending in my highlight. I mean, yeah, blending in my highlight and contour. I love it so much. Bacon is my least favorite. Just kidding, I love every part of it.
Don't take it personal. Love on my ladies. Love to my ladies.
Okay, y'all, I was using my Sasha Buttercup powder, and that's why I was showing you because I forgot to show you before. But okay, now I'm taking that brown that I used in my crease and just putting it on my lower lash line just to give it a little illusion of I really put in some effort when I really didn't. And it just makes it look even more prettier, I feel like. Now I'm just going to take the brush and blend all of my powder away. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance foundation powder and just giving me a good little base. Even everything out and blend everything in together. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance palette, contour and highlight palette, and taking a contour shade and contouring my face. And y'all will sometimes see me use cream contour. But I really don't like to use it, honestly, because I'm an oily person. Maybe in the wintertime I might start using it again, but as for now, this is about as much as you're gonna get. Just a little bronze, nothing too dramatic.
Better than me, they both.
If I didn't my bed on guard, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still?
Alright, now I'm taking my NYX matte finishing spray and just gonna spray me down. And then y'all, got this cute little fan from the beauty supply store. I love it, but it's broke, so I have to give me another one because it's barely hanging in there, but I love it. So now I'm going to be highlighting my face, taking my Wild and Radiant palette and just putting that glow in my life, y'all. Beautiful. I'm really just kidding, y'all. I love doing these voiceovers though, honestly. And who doesn't love to apply highlight? It just brings everything together. Alright guys, I wasn't gonna apply lashes, but I couldn't help myself, so bam, there you go. There goes some lashes. Now I'm just taking this eyeliner pencil in the shade brown. I got it from the beauty supply store. It doesn't really have a name, but yeah, I'm taking that and I'm applying it around my lips. And then I'm going to be taking my MAC lip gloss that I love so much, and just bringing this together. Alright guys, this concludes this natural makeup look. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next one. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like and comment for anything you want to see on my channel. I love you. Bye. Mwah.